Good morning, everyone. How are you all? Good? Okay. So, we are doing EVS, and today's date is 3rd November 2020. 3rd November 2020, and day is Tuesday. And today's topic is articles. Use of a and the. Okay, so babies, can you see these pictures here? Yes? Okay, now tell me, what is this? Ball. This is a ball. This is a cat. This is a bird. This is a fish, a bull, and a table. Yes? And what are these things? Ant, umbrella, orange, apple, igloo. And this is the moon, the earth, the sun, and the Ganga river. Okay? So babies, how many balls we have here? Only one ball, one cat, one bird, one fish, and one bull, one table. How many ants? One ant, one umbrella, one orange, one apple, and one igloo. Yes? So, today we will know how to use a, and the. Okay? So, babies, we know vowels. You all know vowels. What are vowels? A, E, I, O, and U. A, E, I, O, U. These are vowels. Yes? And rest all of them are consonants. Rest all the letters are consonants. Yes? A is vowel. E, I, O, and U. A, E, I, O, and U. They are vowel. Rest all the letters B, K, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, X, Y, Z. They are consonants. Okay. So this we know. What are vowels and what are consonant? We know. Yes. Okay. Now, babies, when we use in a sentence that what is this, how you are going to use this in a sentence? This is a ball. This is a ball. Now what will you say for this? This is an ant. Now we will not say a ant. We will not say a ant. Okay. So the basic rule is if a word starts with consonant, we will put a, and if a word starts with vowel, if it gives a vowel sound, we will use an before the word. And a and n we use before singular noun, before singular things. If we have only one thing, we will use a and n. Okay? What will we use if we have only one thing? We will use a and n. And before vowels we will use an, and before consonant we will use a. If we have only one thing, we will use a and n. Okay? Now where we are going to use the? Can you see all these pictures here? What is this? Moon, earth, sun, and river. They all are, what are they? They all are universal truth. Means moon will be there always. हमेशा रहेगा moon. Earth, yes. Sun will be there always, and the river. Okay. So for the particular things or for the universal truth, we use the. If we have something particular or something or a universal truth, we'll use the. Okay. So now look here. First we'll read all these words. Okay? Articles, use of a and the. Okay? Now read what is written here. All, ball, apple, sun, cat, earth, orange, umbrella, fish. Okay? Now tell me, we have only one ball. So I'm not saying balls, okay? I'm saying ball. So we have only one ball. So what will we use here? A or N? Will we say it a ball, N ball, or the ball? We'll use a ball. What will we use? A ball. Okay? Now see, if you have to use it in a sentence, okay, and in our sentence the word ball we are going to repeat, then we can use article the. How? This is a ball. Okay, for the first time I am using a. This is a ball. Now for the second time, if I use the same ball, if I will say this is a ball, the ball is small. Now I will not say a ball is small. This I will not say, because now we are talking about the particular ball. We are talking about the particular ball. This is a ball and the ball is small. The ball is small. Now when we talk about some particular thing, we'll use the. Okay? Now what is written here? Apple. Apple. So the word is starting with the vowel sound a. Yes? So if we have a word starting with vowel, we will use n. What we are going to use? N. So we will not say a apple. We will say an apple. An apple. Do you like to eat apple? Yes? Okay. Now tell me, what is this? Sun. Sun. Yes? Now what we are going to use it? A sun, an sun, or the sun? We'll say the sun. What will we say? The sun. It's a universal truth. Okay? And we are talking about some particular thing. So this is the sun. The sun. What will we use here before cat? A or N? A cat. This is a cat. The cat is very fat. Okay? Earth. What will you use? What will you use? A or N or the? Will not say an earth. Why? Because this is a universal truth. Okay? So before universal truth, we will use the. So we will say the earth. The earth. Orange. Now it is giving us a vowel sound. This word is giving us a vowel sound. So we will use what? A or N? N. An orange. An orange. Umbrella. So now what will you say? A umbrella or an umbrella? An umbrella. An umbrella, because the spelling is starting with the vowels here. Orange, umbrella, earth, we'll use the. For earth, we'll use the. Okay. Now fish. One fish. So what we are going to use here? A fish, N fish, or the fish? A fish. A fish. Okay. So now do you understand where we use A or N? And in the before, if the spelling is starting with the consonant, we'll use a. And if our spelling is starting with vowel, we'll use N. And for the particular things and for universal truth, we'll use the. Okay? Now, so maybe this work you are going to do in your EVS notebook. Okay, and let's revise singular and plural. Yes? Okay, now look here. One cat, but many cats. One rat, but many rats. Pin, pins. Bun, buns. Mug, mugs. Dog, dogs. Pen, pens. Egg, eggs. Okay, what will you use here? If we'll use article, a cat, a rat, a pin, a bun, a mug, a dog, a pen, or an egg. A egg will not say, we'll say an egg. Okay. If we have many things, we have to add s. Okay. Now, pencil, pencils. Toy, toys. Hat, hats. Bug, bugs. Book, books. Chair, chairs. Bag, bags. Star, stars. Okay, so you are going to revise singular and plural, one and many, and we'll do articles. Okay, so find out the things at home which starts with the spelling of consonant and which start with the spelling of vowels. Okay, so find out, make a list with your mama and do this work in your EVS notebook. Okay, babies, so that's all for today. Have a nice day.